Hi guys, I'm here with a sponsored child update video, and I received this card in the mail. I'm not too sure what the card is for, like what celebration it's for. I don't know if it's like a spring gift or something, but it's a card that I can sign and send back to World Vision, and they will forward it on to my sponsored child. Hi, Riley. Riley's going a little crazy. He had his appetite stimulant today. Yes, I know. You want to sit on my lap. Oh my goodness, Riley. Don't fall, honey. And so basically it says, these pretty birds have flown all the way from Canada. It says, a fly me paper bird for you, sent with love from, and then I put my name there. So on the other side, it has these little birds that they can punch out. And so there's a big bird that's orange, yellow, and purple. And then there's a cardinal that's red. And oh, there's more here too. There are just all different birds. There's like 3 other birds. And then there's like these wings here. And so it looks like the wings attached to the large bird so that it flies. So it says how to make your fly me bird. Gently punch out the large bird wings and the small birds. Carefully open slot A in the large bird. Slide the wings through the slot. Play with your fly me bird. And then each bird has a little hole. So if you have a piece of string or twine, you put it through the hole and then you can hang it up. So I thought that was pretty cute to send. And I'm going to sit back for a minute because Riley wants to sit on my lap. And okay, there you go, buddy. So then the other thing that I wanted to share that I forgot to share, and I think it was my last video, I believe this came with my sponsored child annual update, and I thought I would share it because it explains how World Vision is helping in terms of COVID-19. So it says, we are thankful for child sponsors like you who have made it possible for us to respond to this crisis from the beginning. And your ongoing support will ensure we can stay for the long term. To support our COVID-19 response, we have adopted plans to allow for up to 20% of sponsorship funds to be used for specific COVID-19 preventative measures within our child sponsorship communities. We are scaling up preventative measures to limit the spread of the disease, helping to strengthen health systems and workers, and supporting children impacted by COVID-19 through education, child protection, food security, and livelihoods. As we adapt our sponsorship program activities, some of the child correspondence, such as letters, have been temporarily paused or delayed. However, we will continue to work with communities to assess our activities and are committed to keeping you updated. So reading that, I'm a little concerned. Like, as you know, her birthday gift and Christmas gift went out late because for the longest time, Canada Post was not shipping to Nicaragua. I was finally able to send them off in December, but I'm wondering when she's actually going to receive those packages because I don't know if Nicaragua's is being paused. So that was interesting. To overcome the challenges of COVID-19 in our field work, World Vision is adapting our approach and applying our experience so that we can continue to serve the most vulnerable during this crisis. We are maximizing innovation and technology to continue our programming work and to stay close to our community partners and families. Be assured that when it is safe to do so, our staff will resume delivery of letters, emails, and packages to sponsored children. So there's like a little informative thing to see the latest COVID-19 status update on the country where your sponsored child lives. So I'll have to go and check that out and see what they're doing over in Nicaragua. But just thought I would come on and share that with you. Thanks so much for watching this video, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.